Hi everyone and good morning. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Rita. I am from UP. I hope you are doing well and learning this beautiful and amazing language in a fun and simple way. Friend, this morning is very charming and amazing. I am feeling so relaxed in this environment because the cold wind is blowing and everyone is feeling relaxed because this is morning time. If I talk about time, the time it is 8:30. So it is early, I can say it is early morning, and at this time everyone has eaten their breakfast, uh, and I have eaten my breakfast, and now I am going to my library where I study. But I am on cloud nine because today I will go my school. Actually, I am saying my school because sometimes ago I used to teach there, and I am literally happy because today I will get my salary. They didn't give me salary, but they called me, so they will give me my salary, and that is the main reason today I am very happy. And you can see I am going to there, and I have chosen this path. This is not road, this is a field, but meanwhile I am going through this area, this path. This is not a main road, this is not a, I can say this is like kacha sadak. I have no any idea about it, what is called in English. But I am express. I am expressing my thoughts in English. I am trying to express anything in English, especially my thought. And this is the very effective method to learn this language, because there is no anyone who judge me. So I will meet you after some time. Okay, friend, this wind is very amazing, right? The cold wind is blowing. You can see my face, and I am enjoying this weather, this season, and it is month of April. And yes, I am getting late. I have to. Okay. Now I am going to my home, and today I have received my salary, but I haven't bought anything. You know why? Because I have to pay library fees. That's why I don't want to spend any money, like any money. It means I don't want to spend 100 rupees, 200 at all. I don't want to spend. I know money is very important for my life, and I think money is very important for every life, and it each play vital role. So I don't want to spend. You know, I am preparing for one day exam, so I can say Literally, I don't want to spend, but I am enjoying this process to learn anything because right now I am studying all subjects like GS and GK. You know, GS is very important and GS syllabus is very vast. In GS, there are many subjects like history, polity, geography, economic, science, and yes, science. There are three parts in science: physics, chemistry, and bio, and then current affairs, then stati. It means GS has a lot of topic. Okay, so if I learn anything from the GS topic, I get forget everything. But nowadays I am focusing only and reasoning and math. I am average at math. My math is not good, but I can say my math is not bad. I am average at math, but I can say I am good at reasoning and I am good at English grammar. But there is no any grammar portion of my exam because I am preparing for RRB Group D. That's why there is no any part of English grammar. In RRB Group D, there are only three subjects like GS, GK, and you know very well how many topics are included in GS and GK. Then math, reasoning. Okay, there are no any role in G. There are no any role play in English about. I know I am taking so much time because I am expressing this thought in English. That's why it takes some time. But I am in process of learning, and I am trying to express every situations, any situations in English. And hey, friends, I want to say something today. I have met my students. You know, I miss them. Every day I miss them because I was teacher, but now I am a student. But I have experience to teach student how to handle student, how to teach student. I have experience. I have 3 years of teaching experience and I love my student. I can say I love of teaching. It means my passion is teaching. But you know, so it is getting dark. That's why. Okay, thank you so much for watching this video. Bye bye.